Hey guys, Chelsea here from Making Manzanita. Welcome back to our Christmas craft series. Every Wednesday in November this year, we are sharing an easy Christmas craft for you to do at home. And this week, we're doing these yarn Christmas trees. They turned out so cute and they're super easy to make. So you want to start by grabbing your supplies. We used cardboard mini cone trees and this cute chunky yarn, which we got at Hobby Lobby. You're going to need some scissors. And then, like I said, those cone Christmas trees and then a hot glue gun. Now you want to grab your hot glue gun and work in about 3 to 4 inch sections. You just need to secure that chunky thick yarn to the Christmas tree with the hot glue gun. I worked my way up from the bottom of the Christmas tree up to the top, wrapping the yarn around and just using a bit of hot glue as I worked my way around. You could also work from the top to the bottom. I don't think it really matters much. Try to keep the yarn pushed together closely so you avoid seeing any gaps in the yarn. For one of the larger Christmas trees, I brought the yarn back down at the opposite diagonal. You can see there that one on the left, and that just gave it some extra texture. You can see I also made some smaller ones, which were super cute and looked good, just to give it a little variety. And we used a few different types of yarn. Once you get to the end of the tree, you just want to cut off the excess yarn with scissors and then just push the hot glue in on the end to secure it. You can tuck it under the bottom if that works. I absolutely love how these turned out. I think they look so good on our entertainment center. They look cute with that little home for the holidays and those mini wooden holiday houses that I had on hand. With how simple these yarn Christmas trees are to create, there's no excuse for you not to make them this year for your Christmas decorations. You can customize them by using any yarn color you want, thickness, texture. You get the point. It would also be super fun to incorporate some tassels, and we're going to be sharing another variation of some yarn tassels next week for our last of the series of our Christmas crafts. So be sure to check back next week for our next idea, again, using some more yarn. All right, see you guys next week. Have a good day.